Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to talk today about 7 major principles of Islamic banking and finance. My name is Santi Putri Lastuti, student ID number 19,32190. First, I will explain about the 7 major principles banking and finance, and then I will give you some important points. Finally, I will close the presentation. Do the reason. Here we discuss the 7 major principles of Islamic banking and finance. 1. Profit and loss sharing. 2. Share risk. 3. Riba for gharar. 5. Gambling. 6. No investment in prohibited industries. 7. Zakat. 1. Profit and loss sharing. It is one of the best principles of Islamic finance, where the partners will share their profit and loss according to the part they play in the business. 2. Share risk. When two or more parties will share the risk following the principles of Islamic banking, the burden of the risk will be divided and reduced in the parties, so it will improve the economic activity of the state. 3. Riba. It can be regarded as the prohibition of interest. The world will get the return without any risk or effort. Regardless of the outcome of economic activity, the person who gets the loan has to return the money and riba to the lender for gharar. According to the Islamic finance principles, Muslims are not allowed to participate in the ambiguous and uncertain transaction. According to Islamic rules, both parties should have a proper control over the business. 5. Gambling. In Islam, the acquisition of wealth through evil means or participation in gambling is prohibited. It will protect the Muslims from the conventional insurance product because that is a type of gambling. 6. No investment in prohibited industries. The industries that are harmful to society or have a threat to the social responsibilities are prohibited in Islam. They include pornography, prostitution, alcohol, pork, and drug. 7. Zakat. There is a property tax included in the rules of Islam that is known as zakat, which allow the balanced distribution of wealth. According to the Islamic banking principles, the fair amount of zakat is deducted from the account of Muslim in the holy month of Ramadan. Conclusion. So we can say that the principles of Islamic finance lead us to invest in an industry that will help us to achieve the financial and social objective that have been determined by Islam. So it is a way of saving our money from being invested in a wrong path. Principles of Islamic finance are discussed in more details during Certificate Islamic Finance Expert or CIVA, a well-known Islamic finance degree and Islamic banking courses. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.